छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए तौर लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। आज पुरानी ज़ंजीरों को तोड़ चुके हैं, क्या
Ashirwad itself, the word says many things, that means a blessing. My institute, Ashirwad, is a school for challengeable, slow learners as well as normal students. I run this school, this academy, all together with all children together.
First, I was thinking that how he is going to cope up, how he would make out in this world. There was a lot of competition and all. But somehow, some ways I have found out.
The method which we use for the able children are playway method, as well as some with the low degree students. We give them one-to-one counseling, as well as we give them one-to-one remedial also.
राधा मैडम की आशीर्वाद एकेडमी में आने के बाद मैं काफ़ी रिलैक्स हो गई हूँ, क्योंकि राधा मैडम पर्सनली बहुत अटेंशन देती हैं इन बच्चों के पीछे।
We have a different strategy. It is not like a common school children's. They sit in benches, what the madam says or teaches, and they just listen. It is not that kind of it. Here the teachers are also well trained. They tackle all the situations.
That he loves fun, he loves playing. So with the playway method, I have always taught him the things. While just telling them stories, while just even running after him, feeding him, that also with the stories and all. And he loves spinning and also keep on doing the things like that, spinning and using those toys. And sometimes I tell him that, okay, I don't know anything, you teach me better. And he loves to do that. He teaches me also the things. Okay, Mama, you don't know, you are just fool. I will teach you. And I would say that in computer, he is a master.
वो हमेशा मेरे साथ कहीं जाता है, कुछ बोलता है, और उस सबके साथ उसको बहुत प्यार करता है, सबको प्रेम भाव उसको बहुत ज़्यादा है सबके साथ.
Right now, though, he is giving the 12th from NILs, but generally I vision that he will do something with automobiles.
दो बेटा भगवान ने दिया है बराबर है. मैं बचपन से बहुत तकलीफ उठाया है. मतलब 92 में ये लोग का फायदा हुआ. मार्च 3 तारीख को 4 में हुआ था, तीसरा महीना. मालूम इसको दोनों को ही साथ साथ में बीमारी होता था. दोनों को कैच आता था. कैच आती है कैसा, नाक कैसा होता है, ऐसा गोल गोल घूम के वो लंबा हो जाता है. तब खून का उल्टी, खून का तंडास भी खून कर रही थी.
मौलिक ऐसा लड़का है कि जो उसमें कई सारे दूसरे टैलेंट्स हैं. पढ़ाई में नो डाउट ही इज़ वीक. NIS के द्वारा 10th स्टैंडर्ड की एग्ज़ाम भी उसने पास की है, एंड ही इज़ गोइंग टू अपीयर फॉर 12th स्टैंडर्ड नाउ. एक माँ ही वो जानती है कि ये बच्चे को उसने कैसे बड़ा किया है। बहुत ही स्वीट चाइल्ड है मौलिक, बहुत ही इमोशनल, बहुत ही हेल्पफुल।
Sometimes the child may get hyper very fast without any reason. So the teachers are known with the situations. To say is very easy, but when to come with the practical point, it is very difficult for it. Sometimes the teachers have to play the role, different roles they have to play. Sometimes they are the parents for the children, sometimes they are the good friends for the children, sometimes they have to be strict because that depends upon the situations. Even in the academy learning session also we give them the different therapies. With the normal ones, we make them sit with the normal ones. It is very difficult for them to learn the question answers, but that also we use our own therapies, our own techniques, and with that techniques they learn very nicely and they get a very good marks and they complete their academy like a normal children's. So not only the academy, but while studying, while practical base also we are explaining them a lots of things.
Recently when he went for the Khel Mahakumbh, so when he came to Ahmedabad to take his medal, I went forward to pick him up over there from Ahmedabad, otherwise he would have come home with his coach.
Recently Yash participated in Khel Kumbh Mahotsav and he won bronze medal. That was really again I would say very sweet and very nice memory. He himself was very proud and as a parents whole family were very proud of him.
हाँ खुशी तो है ना, नहीं मैंने इसने नहीं बताया था ये सब मिला है, मैडम ने फोन करके बताया तब मेरे को खबर पड़ा। मेरे को फर्स्ट नहीं मिला नहीं इसलिए मैंने बताया।
But they speak on the face of the child. If they want to say something, they have to tell us, not in the presence of the child. So that was very bitter, and every time I was facing this experience. Every time, whenever in relatives, whenever while going or anywhere, I was always fighting the society. 2 or 3 people, so I just said straight away, I think there is some problem with you, sir, or there is some problem with you, madam. Why don't you check up? My child is perfect, my child is all right. And I always given him the inspiration.
And you want to teach the special child. I think it's very easy to teach a normal child, but when you want to teach a special child, I think you need more patience. And once you have patience, I think you can get him into you and you can do a lot with him.
Even I can say that normal people, student will not be having their fixed goal before 10th, but my our children have the goal, what they have to become, how the subject has to be selected, how they have to be prepared, how they have to be intact with that. You know, mass people are considering them as a failures. They are not behaving well with them. They are not talking with them well. But I can say that they are the only disciplined children, serious children with their academy, and they make their life full of prides and full of success. I can say that. So I'm really proud to be my institute having such type of children, and I really heads off to the normal children, those who are really helping them and being with them. They are making my able children also to learn lots of things, and looking to that they raise their confidence levels. Even they are making themselves very individual.
एक दिन वो ठीक अपने पैर में खड़ा हो ही जाएगा। ऐसा बच्चे को हम हमेशा प्यार से बोलो, गुस्सा से कुछ नहीं बोलो।
If you care for them, then they surely come up more. Like for example, even one small little word like beta really, you know, brings them so much of happiness.
कि ये बच्चे हैं वो भगवान की ही देन है, इनमें इनका भी फॉल्ट कुछ नहीं है और पेरेंट्स का भी कुछ फॉल्ट नहीं है। इसलिए सोसाइटी को ऐसे बच्चों को खूब प्रेम देके उन्हें आगे बढ़ने का मौका देना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये बच्चे प्रेम के ही भूखे होते हैं। जहाँ उन्हें प्रेम मिलता है वहाँ वो लोग जाके काफ़ी घुल मिल जाते हैं ऐसे पेरेंट्स के साथ।
पढ़ने में थोड़ा दिमाग अच्छा है, उसको खेलने में भी थोड़ा दिमाग अच्छा है।
When he was admitted in this Radha Madam's academy, I really found that she is gem of a lady. She has helped us a lot, and my child is growing very well, and he is developing, you know, coming out. All his talents are coming out, which I was looking for.
हमारे बच्चे बिल्कुल बन सकते हैं. They are like a normal only, and we have to treat them as a normal.
जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई, जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी, जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई। ये तो आशा लहर है, ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है, खुशियों की नहर है, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीन पर।
लेकिन मैं उसके बारे में बहुत चिंता करती हूँ, इसलिए मैं बहुत बीमार भी पड़ जाती हूँ।
But then the special children, they need nearly special attention. You cannot compare. Once you start comparing, they start losing confidence. You need to build in confidence for them. Only then they will come up in society. And I think we need to do a lot for that.
In other activities, he is very bright.
Your child is normal. What's wrong? You can bring out talent in them.
Why you are not positive? I am positive. We all are positive, and I want the other awareness to the people also, and they also have to be. They should also have the awareness, and they should keep that awareness that they are the normal people, and they are within us only. They are not out of us.
छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। आज पुरानी जंजीरों को तोड़ चुके हैं, क्या देखे उस मंजिल को जो छोड़ चुके हैं। सोने की ये गंगा है चांदी की यमुना, चाहो तो अब है नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम